Kublai phi baro ashka thup khubor jungi kadan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaga singi kilong. Yo khusnam kong jungokai perthai bakan sai Mrs. Tourism ka kong suite. Sedang kalumpung yang mirjingmut ki samla hanehu. En kurup ki kongres ya ki konstituensi ki MLA Phetseng. Pan. Kemen ki nongalam ka GSMC ba ai mensim ka hito. Tementai na phaj ki khubor ki bakhamania. Kakong sweetie bekonia lungdotron South House nam kerta kala syajid kum kanong job haka jingakop longkemi babhabri berbadat riam kamet kapan haka lumpung Mrs. Tourism pageant R1000 R4R kabala long dangshen hanong ba Bangkok Thailand. Dakandi kajing syajid bajing job na pedeng ki longkemi dat riam kakong sweet bekonia kala sya penpong daga pangsnget ba pernai na kinong penyat yakani ka lumpung yakop. Daga jingkemen berjing he mensim kani kalong kumi kalaya thu badiakran hakinong tho Khubor ha Shillong bakani kalumpung kala penkubru yaka daga nam kanong penpriang yaka sukasan ambassador for peace haka imlang salang hakari bad haka perthai kalaya thu ru bakum kalong kumi ka thrang ban angnut banyarap yaki para briu leng baka society kalong ru bakadon ka jingkwa bad ka jing thumuru ban traina ka banta ki long kumi ki bangat haka jing pang cancer ka shadam lani ka breast cancer
Lam ye kili ki breu nama ngidon shibun ki doctors ngidon shibun ru ki nong yarap te kaba khaddo pat na songo pat na aingo kerpang ya isa preston tunsong ibalong shisha inong yarap ya ka jing em ka jonga bat kumjo ru yangi ki be pat ki reu kan thai ngan ya thu ya phi na pedeng jong ngamdei ka breu ka ba don ka vote ru support ka constituency jong i ngade ngadon ka vote hapo melim constituency henrei ikloi banyarap yang ate nganget ba kiwe ru ka nu ba kiwe ru kin yo ka jingarap na i tenga songo shibon ban ai mu ya phi ba ro lang kuble shibon
Ya kalumpung yang merjengmut basan sengi khatnyo hado R4R tarik Urisau jengki samla India bat Bangladesh lapli do uba met ba lengdo speaker ke yengdor bar Thawan ka Meghalaya haka khat phra tarik Urisau ha school ba North Eastern Hills University ki samla na India bat na Bangladesh kenya merjengmut badiatai hakini kisan sengi halor kimat babon jan ban wanra ya ka imlang salang ka basuk basan habreng kini ki R teli haka jinga keren play uba mer ba lengdo ulapan pau ka jing sngok kemen bakum kane ka jinga kendu ulang kalong ka koridor bar ka badon kam hadu kata-kata na ka benta ki samla kani ka juk ki samla puli na ka school ba banga bandhu Sheikh Majipur Rehman Agricultural University Gazipur Bangladesh kilai poi krui syakani ka lumpung Kaneru Yuva Kendra Sangathan joka Sorkar India rengkat berkat Tripura Adventure Social Expedition Organization kila sanjor yakani kalumpung jengki samla Shillong.
First, no doubt about it, but you will definitely share. I would like to know over the role of the youth in today's world. It is through such programs that you will experience the alternative approaches of studying something that would not be offered in your home country. Through youth exchange program, youth and young students like all of you will have the opportunity to work in the global market.
Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ba Vincent H. Pala ulapan pau ya ka jing tikna bagi kertong kaseng Congress kin kurup ya ki konstituensi bat penlim ya ki kertong Phetseng ha ke election sya ka yengdar bar Thawan ka Jylla House nam R1000 R4lai Urai thu ba ka jing shit hem ha pedeng ki nong kershan kaseng Congress ha ki than nong kendong kadang klan hadu menta kipat ba kimla ban klet ya ki mati ba kongres kalale ban kentiu ya kipat nong kendong bat ya ki samla hakis nam balala ulong ba kani ka seng kadang angnut bandang le bha hakis nam ban wan na ka banta kipat ba laban kedo hang ni hadu khan nyongut ki MLA kongres ki la Phetseng khat arngut ki let penyaso elade shaka MTC bat sangut ki wepat ki dan menta ha ka jing shasdin ringin na ka jing let kershan jengki ya ka sorkar MDA
I think we have recovered as of now. Whenever we have a meeting, all of us are happy that so far we are coming back to a stage where we can fight elections seriously, and most of them are fully prepared for that. So hopefully, not only my Meghalaya leadership, a lot of them are more senior than me, like Baroni is more senior than me, if you look in that line. Panchngain also is there. So many others also who are common suits, very senior. So we have good people to guide us. I'm very confident we should do well. And more important, the voters to decide. We only try to give a right candidate from the whatever we have, but ultimately the voters has to decide.
Kinoyalam kaseng dawa Jylla Bapura na kilom Garo Land State Movement Committee GSMC kila penpau ya ka jingsngan mensiem ya ka jingkran ai jingkershan je kinoyalam ka neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito halor ka jingyalang juga GSMC kabanlong hamadan teteng aja tura ha ka arpu khandai tarik mentau benai. Unongalam ka GSMC Boston M Sangma, Additional General Secretary, ula khotsngo bahai kinoyalam ka hito banwan shimbenta hakate ka jingalang, kum kadak jong ka jinga trelang, jinga teli ka we kabut ka we kabor, ban poi shaka thong jong ka jing ang nur ki palba achik ki ba shong basa hakilum garu. U Boston ukermen bekinongalam ka hito kinwan shaka jingalang dawa Jylla Bapura haka arpu khandai tarik urisau hatura. Kinongalam jeng kilai teli kiseng bhalang na kilom Garo ki ba kenthop ya ka FKJGP, GSMC bat AHAM. Kila kentha teng unong mi khmat palba na kanika thai Marcus and Marak bat Deputy Commissioner ba Menshwa Swapnil Tembe ki bala wan bu mau nongrim ya ka Eglavia Model Residential School Hanengkra haka Santarik Uluber arajar khat khandai ka ba hadu menta 4 sedang satya ya ki kamante ya kanika school. Utengkan momen Presiden ke FKJGP Nengkra Circle, Utengman Marak General Secretary GSMC, bat usil chi sangma Presiden AHAM Nengkra Unit, kila ut bakani ka jingle jong MLA bat UDC banwan bo mau nongrem ya kata ka school ha kani ka snong, kalong tang ka jingpen bi palba ban yo jingkershan ha ka por election. Kini kinongalam jong kiseng bhalang kila ongru pakum kani ka but penbit palba ka trekam tang sisen barabor. Ka Eglavia Model Residential School bat ki mau nongrim kila pen isai bagi kam jung UMLA ki pau pen rengkau hakasnong nengkra hadu kini kisngi kila ong. Bada kitu Khubor la poi shaka bakut tar hadu bangin de syambiang. Bana kaliang gajongi gerpa de phi ba pen kershan ngi da ka ba pi subscribe, like, bat share ki parlok jong pi. Kuble shibun.